Izakhamuzi zaseWolma zithi sezihlalele ovalweni ngenxa yokwenyuka kobugebengu obunodlame. Isigameko sakamuva kule ndawo kudutshulwe kwabulawa owesifazane oneminyaka engama-40 nendodakazi yakhe eneminyaka eyi-19 ubudala ekhaya labo ngoLwesine. Izidumbu zabo sitholakale zinamanxeba amaningi okudutshulwa.
Asikwazi ukuphuma ngoba kaloku kuye kusho ukudutyulwe nawe mntu uphumileyo ukrobile noba kudutyulwa umntu wakho uyadutyulwa wena mntu uphumayo uyokroba ufumanisa uba nawe uyachaphazeleka ngokokuthetha kwabo.
Asikho safe utukule wom kubi kunzima woyika nophuma late igani nje yonke indawo asiyazi yho abantwana bethu ke bayahamba ke kunjalo kodwa ke hey hayi asiphephanga tu kule wom necrime ke ngoyiwe sikuthiwa abantwana ngoku bangena ezindlini kuthiwa bayasingenela ngokwezindlini.
Amaphoyisa abophe abasolwa abane ngemuva kwalokhu kudubula aphinda athola isibhamu nezinhlamvu.
A joint operation between the Nelson Mandela Bay District Detective Task Team and Operation Bamba led to one suspect apprehended at Doranginza Hospital who was treated for leg injuries. 3 additional arrests were made in Crenshaws Park.
Amaphoyisa athi aseqinisa imikhankaso yawo ukubhekana ngeziqu namaqembu emgulukudu nokulwa nokuphathwa kwezibhamu ezingekho emthethweni kule ndawo. Abasolwa abane kulindeleke bavele enkantolo ephakeme yaseGqeberha kusasa.